How to add commands on Twitch. So if you want to add commands on your Twitch, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with the search and search for twitch.com. Once you search here on the first search, you will get www.twitch.tv. Click on that and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with the channel that you would like to proceed. And once you're here on the channel, on the right side you will get the stream chat, right? So under the stream chat on the bottom you will get the message bar. Simply click on the message bar, and then now here you need to enter the command, which is exclamation commands space add space exclamation, and the name of the command that you want to use. For example, I would like to use exclamation hello. And once you enter that command, now you need to go with the send by simply clicking on the chat icon. And once you go with send, then your command will be sent. So that's how you can add your commands on your Twitch. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.